I've had a back problem for about 5 years. Not really sure what set it off, but initially I was laid up in bed with what was later diagnosed as a stretched or torn ligament. Really painful. Then reoccurred the following year, and over the last couple years it's manifested itself as just basic pain while I sleep. Go to bed, and after a couple hours I find myself tossing and turning and not getting good sleep. By about 3 in the morning I can't sleep on either side or my back, and eventually just started getting up. And that's been about 2 years. I've gotten to see 3 different doctors, kind of classic doctors, and they've, again, just said, you should get some exercise, and here's a prescription for 800 milligram big aspirins, essentially, which I'm reluctant to take, and basically just kind of have put up with it for 2 years. Came in to see Dr. Polucki about 2 months ago. After the first couple sessions and adjustments, felt fantastic. And then actually within the first couple weeks, which would have been probably 4 to 6 sessions, was actually able to sleep through the night. And it's been just fantastic since. I'm just amazed and disappointed that I hadn't come in and done this sooner. I'm not really a big believer in chiropractics, but I'm a convert, I guess. If chiropractic is like this, it's a good way to go.
I have not felt this good in years. My sciatica pain is gone. My lower back pain, I can sleep at night and I don't feel any pain in my back when I'm laying down. My neck feels great. I can move it. It's like without any pain. And my allergies used to congest very bad, and I used to get very bad headaches and feel very congested, and they're just draining like crazy, which is great. And it's like a miracle. I never thought I could feel this good again. I've been in pain for over 5 years, hardly could walk 7 years ago, and I'm just 4 treatments. I feel almost like I was 20 years younger than I am, which is amazing in itself. So I just feel like it's a miracle, and I'm just hoping that it stays this way because it just feels great.
I've been seeing Dr. Polucki for the last 12 months. It has been amazing. I have a lower back bulge disc in my L4, L5. They wanted to put me under the knife, but I was looking for ways of trying to do it another way. I met him at a fair, and I made an appointment, and my passion is golf. And when I played golf, I used to have to be in a back brace, and I can only play about twice a month. Since I've been seeing him, I'm out of my back brace. I can play as often as I like, and I very rarely feel my back stiffen up. He is absolutely amazing.
Hi, I'm Colleen Raponi-Lewis, and I came to Dr. Polucki about a couple months ago, and I was severely bent forward. I couldn't walk. I was constantly dizzy. It was so painful that I looked like I was 80, and I'm not 80. I'm in my middle 40s. Anyway, I started my road to recovery, if you want to say, and I ended up, even the first visit, feeling 100% better, so much that I ended up crying, and he gave me a huge hug because I couldn't believe how much better I felt just after one visit. And then continuously, weeks went by, I felt a little bit better, my adjustments were a little easier. You take 2 steps forward, 2 steps back, but it all goes forward. And I ended up being able to, currently, this was just a Mother's Day weekend, and I was able to be with my family in the park, being able to throw with my 6-year-old niece a Frisbee that I couldn't do 2 months ago. And I'm telling you, if you are suffering with pain and you say, I got to do something about it, please do something about it. I went to a chiropractor years ago. It's nothing like this. It's not the cracking and the crunching. It's a totally different method, and you leave feeling better. You don't leave feeling like, God, that was a waste of money. Anyway, I highly suggest that everybody take a moment, think about what you're going through, and do you want to continue with this, or do you want to feel a lot better and be able to continue your life and do the things you want to do? Please see the doctor. Thank you.